What's happening, party people? Happy Saturday. Yesterday, I finally got finished with that 850R. Started on the next 850, replaced the rear hatch on it. You know, that car got some bits that needs to be done on it, on that 850R. Owner said he want me to go to the salvage yard to see if I could find some of those bits, so just got some minor stuff going on. That other 850's got to get a timing belt and some other stuff. So, got some stuff still to do down here, still in the San Jose area. Hope you guys are having a great time up at the IPD garage sale this weekend. Wish I could have made it. Just got my hands full. I will be there, God willing, next year for sure. So that's where I'm at. That's what's going on. Hope you enjoy today's clips. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicked off the Tinker Day about 2:30. Had to pull the dash pad back off because there was a screw cast nut that got displaced. So I had to pull that off, super glue it, put the dash pad back on. Plus there was a screw missing from the hinge and the glove box was loose, so I tightened that up. And next I put this homemade shift plate plexiglass in here so we can attach that boot to it. So I'm about to put the center console in and keep moving forward. Found my piece of broken dash, glued it back up there. Looks better than a big chunk missing. Pretty sure I got a plug for that somewhere. Got to take that automatic switch out. And now I'm getting ready to clip this boot in here. I think the front of it hooks in and the back of it pushes in. So let me go ahead and snap this in. Got the knee bolster put in. Got the center console in. Got all the stereo stuff in and hooked up. Getting ready to find that trim piece there. And getting ready to go out. Find that collar. Put that on. It's right here. Then I'm going to go out, put the axles in and attach the knuckles and the control arms. Time to put the CV axles in. TRQ. Don't forget this thing has IPD anti-sway bars. And we're going to hook the control arms back up. I'll find those bolts. Got this side together other than the anti-sway bar end link. But can't find the bolt to the control arm ball joint. I gotta find that bolt. That bolt's gotta be around here somewhere. I would not have moved it far. So that's what we're looking for. The bolt that goes through right there. Knew that bolt couldn't be far. Here it is. Ball joint bolt. Loaded the control arm with the bottle jack. Torqued those bolts down. Now I'm gonna put this punch in here, stop this from turning. Now I'm gonna torque this bolt down here, hook up these anti-sway bar end links, and I'll be ready to put the tires on. There it is, folks. I actually have the wheels on. So I'm trucking right along. I'm going to put the interior trim in under the dash, and that'll probably take me to quitting time. So let's see what happens. I don't quite understand this, but this is some weird kind of growth or corrosion going on out here in this desert. It was happening under this trim. I don't know if it's eating that plastic away or not. I'm going to hit it with a wire brush and see what happens. Well, that's how it looks after some wire brush action. It did not come off of this easy, but it doesn't seem to damage the plastic at all. So go ahead and slide this back on there. Wrap it up for the night. My goal was to be done with both of these cars tomorrow, so man, let's see what happens. This car, I need to get the coolant system back together, a couple other small bits, and I can fire it up and should be good to go. Change the fuel filter. And then the other car, I got a PCV, fuel pump, rear hatch, and a few other things. So let me wrap this up tonight and try to get out here much earlier tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.